Am I going? No. Hey guys, hi here. Before we start, I'm in a different room today. I'm not in my room. I'm in the living room, actually. Yeah, I'm making this video. Remember how y'all saw my panda bear hamster Biggie, and I changed his name to Oreo because he's Oreo's more realistic because he is black and white, to be honest. Yeah. I'm not saying that he's dead or anything. He's right here in my hand. He just sneezes all the time. Like before I started this, he was like achoo, 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 over and over and over. So I don't know if something's wrong with him or if I just don't know what to do. I don't know if I should take him to the vet or just leave him how he is. I don't know if he's allergic to something. I don't even know if they can get allergic to anything. I just don't know what to do. I don't want him to get hurt or die or anything because I don't want that to happen because that already happened to last day. So yeah. He just needs to be. Maybe I'll hurt it. What are you doing? He's adventurous. Can you see him? There he is. Yeah, he won't. I'm trying to get him to eat the seed, but he just won't. Why do you want to go this way? Oh. Yeah, so I don't know what to do right now. I'm just worried. He just sneezes too much. I don't know if that's a common thing for hamsters, because I'm a beginner with hamsters. I've only had my hamster since July. I don't think they'll even change because they're still white. But I get them out, like, a lot. I don't know what's wrong with them. So, yeah. So he likes to climb. I think maybe he's just adventurous, and please don't tell me you just did. I feel like he's feeling it. Come back here. Come on. Oh. Okay then. He's just like, wow. Gotcha. What's wrong? Look. Oh, I'm hungry. Okay. Yeah, so please leave me any suggestions. What do you think should I take him to the vet? I don't know. My mom said you can't take hamsters to the vet, but I think different. Because he just sneezes too much. I'm not sure if he's allergic or he it's normal, or I just don't know. So yeah. Well, that's it for this video. So see you later, guys.